go for a ride. Oh crap, that's the general. You gotta pump him a few times. 30 years this car ain't moved. It's moving now. Okay, brakes work. So smooth. It's like a cataract. Speechless. This is gonna be, oh honey, I forgot to tell you, this is gonna be our new daily driver.
No.
Yes.
No.
You don't like rolling around, we don't even need to wash it, it's already perfect.
Perfect, huh?
It needs a little more horse purrs though. Through all the gears. It's road trip ready, honey. LA traffic may be a little bit more difficult though with having to pump the brakes. And even the headlights work. Closer. Alright. You like those spinning tires, honey? First burnout in 30 years. And we don't even need AC. Alright, now I can load this on a trailer. Take it over to storage for a short period of time. Oh yeah, I gotta get out and shut it off.